common names are ZZ plant, ZZ plant and emerald plant. The scientific name of ZZ plant is Zamioculcas zammifolia. It's a drought resistant plant. It's a trendy plant and also a best air purifier. Can be propagated through cuttings both in soil and water. Water this plant only when the soil is completely dried out. Keep it in a place where you get bright light, but indirect it can also grow in low light. For repotting this plant, repot this plant when it's growing healthy and bushy. Use soil which is well aerated. You can use some coco peat, some compost and a mixture of garden soil. Today I am going to tell about how you can propagate it. For propagation, it can be propagated through rhizomes. Rhizomes is underneath the soil. It's a stem of the plant and can be also propagated through leaf cuttings and through compound leaves. In today's video, I am going to tell about how you can propagate through compound leaf and also through a leaf. Here I took some cinnamon powder and some honey. Cinnamon and honey improves the growth, develops the roots faster and also prevents fungus. Here I took some water and we already propagated through the compound leaves. They have just now started developing from a few days. Before a few days they started developing. Now I am going to tell how you can propagate them. Take some honey, dip the cutting in some honey and take some cinnamon powder and dip the cutting in cinnamon powder and keep this cutting in water and wait until the roots to develop. Until then, keep it in partial shade and change the water for every 3 days. The reason why you have to change the water is the plant absorbs all the minerals which are present in the water. Now I am going to take a leaf cutting and make sure when you take a leaf cutting, take a matured leaf. Do the same with this cutting. Dip the cutting in some honey and some cinnamon powder. This is rooting hormone, the cinnamon powder and the honey. Use a sharp thing to make a hole in soil and then water these cuttings only when the soil is completely dry. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, please like, share, and if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can receive all the notifications whenever I upload a video. Thanks for watching.